Good morning, guys, and welcome to my channel. This morning, I have my family here from Mississippi and Atlanta, and we are about to fix a mega breakfast. My cousin Zillamon about to show us how to fix these homemade biscuits.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Zillamon from Mississippi.
You're Wanda from Atlanta, Georgia.
I'm going to be making homemade biscuits this morning. And it's going to go like this. First, we're going to add oil to this pan, Crisco to be exact. Okay, in my case, I'm making biscuits for about 25 people, so I'm going to use, say, about 6 cups of flour. And I'm going to put about a cup in this bowl. Secret to my biscuits are, I add a little sugar to them, because some people might not like syrup or jelly. I'll say about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to just stir this little flour and sugar around in this bowl. Add me a little oil to the center of this flour and sugar. About a cup and a half.
Oh, hold on. Milk it in.
About 2 cups of milk. See, my problem is, I know how to make the biscuits, so I don't never measure nothing. I just stir it up and make it.
Go ahead.
The way you're gonna do your flour and your sugar, you're gonna make sure you have enough milk in your flour, sugar, and oil to give your biscuits a form. You don't want them too dry, and you don't want them too soupy. But as always, you ain't gonna get it right the first time. Yeah, that's right. You don't want it too dry. You don't want it too wet. You want it just right. And you wondering why I'm using this spoon? Because I don't like to get this stuff on my hand.
Zillamon.
Okay, here at Rise and Shine this morning. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm in my cousin's kitchen, but we're going to get this did. That's just how we're right now. Okay, my flour and milk and oil is coming together. People think this hard, but it's so easy. Okay, good people. This is what form you want to have when you get them stirring your dough. I say stir it about 35, 40 minutes. According to how long it takes you to get it to look like this. And of course me, like I said, I don't like getting that gook on my hand. So I take this bowl and put me a little flour in it. And like while you're stirring and getting everything together, just turn your oven on to about 350. That's how I usually cook mine. Just take this dough, drop it a little in this flour, just stir it around in there. You're gonna make a little mess, but hey, all in the front and cook. Most people like to roll their biscuit, but of course me, I just play with mine a little bit and just drop them in the pan. They not gonna be perfect till they come out that oven.
Well, a biscuit.
So mine said we need one biscuit.
I'm finna get these two.
Man, they made exactly the pan.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get another little.
There you have it. A whole pan of biscuits. You missed that part, Mom.
Them herds is a big factor.
We're gonna stick this in the oven. And hey, we're gonna see what the outcome is gonna be. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Now come on in there.
On the eggs this morning, we have my baby girl, Rebecca. We're about to fix some eggs.
Good morning, guys. Yes, I'm sous chef. Obviously, they put me on eggs. You know, it's one of the more important proteins that we need to eat for breakfast. But I'm gonna make about 9 eggs for my first batch, and probably do another 9 eggs on my second batch. But basically, all I'm doing is scrambling the eggs. For me, sometimes I like to add a little bit of milk to my eggs to make it just a little bit more fluffy. But you just beat them up real good. Just a few seconds. You don't need long.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're just going to add a little bit of grease and butter to the pan so that the eggs won't stick. I'm just going to make sure the pan is nice and buttered and oiled. I have my heat on in between medium to low heat. I like to cook it to mine a little slow, just so that make sure we get all the love and make sure it's nice and fluffy. Alright, so usually I like to go towards the corner whenever you see there's a little bit of a change of color around the edges of a different texture, a tone of yellow. And I just like to take it and swoop it kind of towards the middle and just start doing it all around the whole pan. And see how we get some nice and fluffy and beautiful eggs, just like that. And just keep folding them. Just keep folding until it's not extremely wet. That's how we know it's cooked. Kind of chop them up a little bit, make them a little smaller. And voila. As my mother would say, here we have it.
Thanks, Rebecca. You ready to start your next batch?
Yeah, I gotta clean this pan.
All right, I have my sister in the kitchen about to show us how to fix us some bacon in the microwave.
Lana, check the microwave. Check the microwave, man. Check the microwave.
Open it. Put some butter on these biscuits. And we're going to stick them back in there for a few more minutes. And we will be ready to eat these homemade Mississippi biscuits.
In the microwave, I done made it enough for her to know how to do it.
And we're going to place the bacon on the
Open
paper
microwave,
towel.
baby. The end results.
Woo. Bacon in the microwave.
End result.
All right, we're about to take this bacon and put it in the microwave. And put it on. All right, we're about to post some syrup on these biscuits and see what we have.
Can I have some syrup?
Here we go. Syrup and biscuits.
Can I have some syrup on mine?
No, you got another cup or you just got the camera ready?
All right, how's those biscuits, Rebecca?
These are probably the softest biscuits I think I've ever had. You don't really need to eat it with syrup, but you can choose to if you want to. This last little portion I'm a dabble, but it's real good. Definitely will be making these at home.
All right, how was those biscuits, sir?
Oh, delicious. Good breakfast.
All right, thank you. Ladies, how are those biscuits?
Rise and shine, biscuits.
All right, thank y'all.
Thanks for watching.